Hey British Columbia, it's Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC. This is how you know me. I am now located at Willowbrook Chrysler in Langley on the bypass. Come see me, and I'm here with the 2021 Gmc Sierra At4 3500, the Duramax diesel with Allison transmission, 445 horsepower, 910 pounds of torque, running boards. This one's just got over 16,000 kilometers. A lot of factory warranty left. It's got front and rear park assist, full driver safety alert package, got the tri-fold tonneau cover, fairly aggressive rubber on it. It's the AT rubber on it. The trailer mirrors, of course, truck trailer mirrors that are sliding out electrically now this year, which was a great ad for the 2021 model year for the Sierra. And just some great fit and finish inside. It's got the Kari accents with the black interior. Does have your heads up display. Does have navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Does have the trailer camera as well for pulling your trailer. Heated and cooled seats. Got your brake controller there. There's your rear parking sensors, lane assist, rear power tailgate. Does have sunroof. And does have a whole lot of room in the back of this thing as well. So give me a call, British Columbia, 604-362-2922. You can check me out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the website. In business to do business. Give me a call.